Is your 2017 Ram 1500 backup camera showing a black screen or glitching out? Over 70% of these camera failures are caused by simple wiring corrosion near the tailgate. Let us break down the diagnosis process step by step. Start by confirming your settings, checking the lens, inspecting the tailgate harness, or performing a hard battery reset. The most common failure points are corroded connector pins, broken wires, or a failed camera module. If the hardware looks fine, look into software glitches, BCM errors, or a simple blown fuse. Try cleaning the contacts and checking fuses yourself before heading to the shop for module reflashing. You can save hundreds by identifying the issue yourself rather than paying for dealer labor. For advanced troubleshooting, test your ground points, check circuit continuity, and read your vehicle's stored communication codes. Keep a multimeter, contact cleaner, and a reliable scanner in your tool bag. Remember, never assume the worst. Start with the simplest connections first. Subscribe for more Ram 1500 repair guides and keep your truck on the road.